Hello guys, in this video I'll talk about entry models differentiations. So I see many guys wondering when to use LC1, when to use LC2A, when is the CE or DCE, and this is really goes first of all to the POI selections. So before you even look for an entry model, you need to have a very good and higher probable POI. Okay, that's like the first step. The first step is the mitigation of the POI. But let's say you have your POI. Now, on what model you should look? Because, and that's actually a good question, the CE contradicts this LC2A. Why? Because on CE, on confirmation entry, we basically want to see a structure being built, and we, after the confirmation, we take the mitigation of the lower time frame. But on LC2A, we want to the low to be swept before we even take the trade, like this. Okay, we want to see a low being created and then it to be taken, and then we look for an entry. So actually this and this are contradicted one another. So what do you do? So first of all, it's a very good question, and I myself use some type of discretion. Okay, you have to understand that nothing is 100% mechanical. The mechanical rules are about the entry models, but what to pick is on you. There are few recommendation what to for like for the steps or for the checklist that you want to have around each model. Basically, I'll not go through every one of them, but I'll go like, from above. On LC1, you want to have a tight range, and when you are trading in a tight range, you don't have a lot of time for structure to be built and manipulation and all this, so you look for LC1. Okay, you basically look for the lead, for the lag inducement to be taken, and then you take the trade. On LC2A, most of the cases, okay, you have to come to the chart, you have to come to your POI with anticipation of this playing, because this playing takes a lot of participants out of the market, retail out of the market, because many retails will try to buy this, but then we will take them and then the real move will start. And the confirmation entry will be basically after. Okay, so confirmation entry is around time. If we are about to launch the move, let's say it's around 10. Okay, that's like something that you really have to look on your charts. So 10 UTC plus 2, 10 a.m. is when the move will start, basically on the 6E, on the euro. If we are yet to mitigate the POI, you want to see LC2A. But if we have mitigated and we have this structure, you want to CE. Now let's go to the chart and see what we had this morning. So this morning I came to the chart around here, and I want to see, first of all, I wanted to see this POI mitigated. Okay, but then we had this and this, and we haven't mitigated the extreme POI. So I didn't take any trade yet. Now I had two options to look for. I had this extreme POI. I wanted to see first, like when I came to the chart, I wanted to see something like that. Okay, with a LC2A here, but then it didn't happen. And what actually happened is a lower time frame LC2A. So look, this level would be your LC1, but you wouldn't look for LC1 on that far away. I just added for confirmation. Then once we came here, you can see how we built a low. Okay, you see I'll mark this, I mark this. And then we came back, we took this low, and this is your LC2A entry. Okay, you want to cover at least this low, and then you target fixed R or maybe the Asian high. But I didn't take this because I wanted a POI mitigation that we didn't have. And yeah, basically that's the LC2A. And CE would be if we will come back before this, okay, before this, if we come back here and go, this would be a CE entry model. Okay, so that's a quick explanation, not that professional explanation and, you know, solid one. I'll try to look for more examples and make maybe more explanations, deeper explanations on when to look for each model to play out. But that's basically what we had this morning. And like most of the time with a probabilistic thinking, you wouldn't take here along because this is a really equal lows above the POI. Although this is a very tiny entry model, many times, okay, 80% of the times, the entry will be here and not here. So that's it. Thank you very much and enjoy your trading.